guys, today is Thursday. Finally, yung mga bata meron ng mga pasok. Kami ngayon sa school ni Hannah, hinihintay na namin siya. So, we're going to pick her up here in a little bit. So now we are already in line. Yan, kasi mahaba-haba yung pila dito. So, medyo inagahan namin para ma-pick up namin siya ng maaga. Ayan, kumakain sila ng dinner. Afritada at saka rice. Do you like afritada, Hannah? Yeah. Ayan guys, dumating na yung aking in-order na chandelier sa Amazon. Ito siya. Ina-assemble ni Mr. Yep. So, ito yung ibang parts ng chandelier. Ayan. Ang kanyang mga crystals. Today is Thursday, January 23.
Take a look at this.
So, may lock na yung ating door. Ayan. So, ito na yung ating room, guys. Check natin sa kabila. Ayan. So, yung beam, guys, nilagyan na nila ng cover. Ayan. So, i-finishing pa nila yan lahat. There you go. Let's go to the bathroom. Yeah, they already installed some trim too. Can you close that one? There you go. So, yan na siya, guys. So, ito na yung update ng ating shower. Meron na siyang shower door. Ayan, nalagay na nila lahat. Pero syempre, i-finishing pa to. Ayan. So, this is glass. Getting close to be done. So, I think he said next week, this is fully done. Yan guys, ito pala yung aming vanity para sa aming bathroom ni Mr. Ayan. So, meron tayong dalawang lababo dyan. And then, 2 faucets. Yan guys, so 7 o'clock na ng gabi, ginagawa nila yung aming flooring. Yan. Yan. Hi guys. Gabi na pala dito sa amin. So, yung mga taong gumagawa ng bahay nandito pa. And, tinatapos nila yung flooring. Tapos, nagbuhos sila ng semento para mag-level siya. And then, pag natuyo na yan, sa kanila i-install yung flooring. Yan, so it's gonna be on Monday because today is Friday. Hindi ako nagluto ng dinner. Kaninang hapon, pag sundo namin sa mga bata, bumili lang kami ng chicken. So kami ni Mr. Yan, bumili kami ng sandwich kanina. Yun yung pang lunch namin. So, bali footlong siya and then hinati. Ito yung natira yung sa akin. So, kakainin ko siya for dinner.
The kind of love is right now. I really feel I am flying, releasing my troubles. And although you're so far,
what you doing, Hannah Bear?
I really feel we're in the fire.
Yeah, you're painting? Ooh, very nice.
We'll wait till it's right for us.
does look nice. It's coming along. And that's what it's supposed to look like when it's done? Yeah? Oh, okay. Nice. And you have dogs around you, supporting you.
You'll do what you need. I'll sing me a song. We'll meet when we meet. Touch base and walk on. I'm kinda choked up right now. I really feel you can hear me and get this wherever.
Si Hana ang hilig-hilig mag-painting. Ang kanyang penmanship is really good for first grade. Yeah, ang ganda ng kanyang sulat.
We'll know when it's right for us to be looking at the stars from my balcony, wondering about what the future will bring. Oh, we'll have made it so far.
Ngayon guys, dito kami sa Lowe's. Pumapili ako ng pintura para sa bathroom namin kasi this week tapos na siya. So this week guys, matatapos na yung aming bathroom at saka yung bedroom. So ayan, bumili kami ng pintura. Then ngayon, tumitingin din ako ng mga cabinets na ilalagay ko dun sa aming walk-in closet. So, ito yung mga choices na so yun, meron dalawang hangeran, and then meron din single, and then meron siyang mga dividers. Let's try again. So this is just like a kind of grout floor leveler. So I hope this is really dry. Go inside. Let's go here in the shower.
What is Mama doing? Come on. Yeah. Good job, baby.
Then, ito nga pala yung kulay ng ating pintura para sa bathroom. At saka ito yung ating bathroom accessories, yung mga sabitan ng tuwalya at saka hand towels.